All right. Let me ask you something. Do you want to get paid for what you're already doing? Yeah, you on the internet right now? Of course you are, because you're watching me in this video, right? And I'm showing you how to get paid passively, making this easy money here in 2023. The holiday season has ended, but the crypto payouts have not. Let me show you a very simple, easy, passive way to get this money. That's CryptoTab, baby. Check this out. Now, the CryptoTab is a browser that you download, works similar to any other browser like Google or whatever, Bing or all those other crazy ones. But this one is special. You know why? Because it earns you Bitcoin when you use it. Okay? Who doesn't want that free Bitcoin? I want that free Bitcoin. If you don't want it, give it to me. I'll take it off your hands. Very simple to do. Below this video, you go to the link to download the free browser. You don't have to spend anything on the browser. It will earn Bitcoin off of your computer's resources. Okay, it does not slow down your computer. It doesn't add any pop-ups to your computer. It doesn't prevent you from using any VPNs if you want to stay secure and protected. You can still do all that stuff. Plus, the holiday season just passed, but the discounts and the rewards and the benefits have not. So look right here. That's to let you know that you can go ahead and fulfill your dreams the coming year. You can participate in the holiday giveaway to earn unique NFTs. So if you want to learn more about that, check it out. Here's a detail button. You can check it out on your own time. But I just want to show you this will earn you Bitcoin just for using the browser. That's it, folks. That's it. And then when you get paid out, you get paid out straight to your Bitcoin wallet. Okay? It's just that simple. You're just earning just by using the browser. Now, if you want to share this with other people, you can go ahead and build a community of CryptoTab users, and you can all get paid from using this simple, easy browser. It doesn't add any ads. It doesn't make you look at any ads. It doesn't slow down your computer. It doesn't do anything different than what you're doing already, except it earns you Bitcoin right from your own computer's internal components without any special equipment. You don't have to plug in anything special. You don't have to, buy special equipment or special software or anything other than just download the freaking CryptoTab and start getting that Bitcoin, baby. It's very simple. And then if you choose to, you can go ahead and you can spend a little bit of Bitcoin, just a little bit, because there is a 25% holiday promotion going on right now. And if you want to get into some pool mining, you can boost your PC earning rewards just by, paying for a little boost, say for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. You decide what works best for you. It's all good. And there's different ways that you can benefit from the crypto tab just by sharing with other folks. You can have the crypto tab farm. You have the NFTs if you're into that. And you can learn more about all of these. They all come with their own promo codes. They all come with their own links. You can go ahead and check out your affiliate dashboard to see if you got people on your team using the CryptoTab browser. You can see how they're doing. If you want to promote this, start making more money on the side. Here's your promotion links. They're all right here. If you need support, guess what? It's all right here. And then when you're ready to get paid out, you can go ahead and click right here. You can click to withdraw your BTC, and it'll tell you how much you've earned ever since you've been down on the network. They'll tell you, here's your here's your referral link if you want to share it with someone else, because you can earn a percentage of the bitcoins that they mine as well. You're mining free Bitcoin without having to do any hard work at all. Simple, baby. And then you want to withdraw, you click withdraw, you put in the address where you want to withdraw to, and you get that Bitcoin put out to your Bitcoin wallet of your choice. How easy can it be? This easy. Download, get started with CryptoTab today. Start getting that crypto, start getting that Bitcoin, and let's get paid. It's 2023. There's no more time to waste. Okay, 2022, 2021 was all rocky up and down here and there, but as you see, Bitcoin is on the rise. You better get that Bitcoin. You better get that Bitcoin. You better get that Bitcoin. I got mine. Got yours. Peace.